How's it going? What's up? And what's happening there? Blessed beautiful souls, Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Thanks for being here with me today on this wonderful Tuesday. I hope you have all had a really awesome and wonderful strong end, and that you guys had a great time with your family and your loved ones, and really appreciate all the love and the energy to you guys constantly watching, because the crypto market never ever sleeps. Holidays or no holidays, it never ever sleeps. So thanks for being here with me today on the channel, on the tube. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate it. We're creeping up to the 500 mark level. Please, let's get us there as soon as possible. So if you are watching this video, please make sure to smash that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. That would be really appreciated. Okay, so guys, these past few days I've done a series of videos here that are talking about Bitcoin and its next move. So in this video I said 37,525. This video I said 40k, and this video I said 245,000 by 26. So if you guys want to go see there and these targets, please go over and watch. However, I am going to say to you that I did end up taking profits on my trade. I have a really cool strategy that works for me and my personal trading. So I've really learned to admire and use that strategy now going forward, because always out of your set of rules, there's a rule in trading that if you don't take your profits, somebody else will take your profits. So I'm learning that lots and lots and lots. It's been one of my hardest lessons to learn in trading. I've made very good cash over the years, but I've also lost a lot of cash. And yeah, at the moment I'm making good money, and I'm using small accounts to gain bigger access, so that I can share with you guys and show you guys that you can do it with small accounts too, as long as you have a good strategy in place and your beautiful trading journal, of course. So if you guys like this, smash a thumbs up. We're going to go and have a look at the Bitcoin price and what happened in the markets today. So let's go and have a look at that. Okay, so today we are currently up 4.6 in the market today. We're sitting at just under $1.3 trillion in market cap. We're now at 54 billion in trading volume. The BTC dominance has moved back up to 45.25, although I don't know if this is too accurate compared to the trading chart, so we'll go and look at the trading chart. But Bitcoin is currently sitting at 30,107. I don't remember the last time Bitcoin was at 30,000. I think it was more than a year ago, guys. That's crazy to think that. So it had a 6.2% pump yesterday. Ethereum is sitting at 1922, BNB at 331, XRP at 52 cents, Cardano at 40 cents. Cardano's been making its way back up. That's really good. Dogecoin at 8.5 cents. Polygon at $1.13. So Polygon has pretty much remained stable. Solana 22.42 with a 10% pump. That's great. Great. Polkadot 6.43. Litecoin 96.14. Shiba 1116, Avalanche 1833, Uniswap 604, Chainlink 743. Okay, so the Fear and Greed Index is now officially at the highest it has been in a very extraordinarily long time. Okay, I think the last time it was up at this level, was 21 March 23. Okay, so 21 March 23. So that was a little while ago. Let's go put this on the max. You can see here on the Fear and Greed Index that we're breaking out into the greed area, and you can see here we've currently got a bit of resistance at this level. Okay, if you look at across the 68. Okay, so there's not much more room for us to pump up to the upside in terms of going into the extreme greed, but it still can pump. And then once it reaches that, guys, look at this. It literally just crashes. Every single time it reaches up there, crashes. Reaches up, crashes. Reaches up, crashes. Reaches up, crashes. Reaches up, crashes. Same thing, guys. So it's going to reach up and it's going to crash. Do not think anything else, okay? So, yeah, guys, that's a big chart to now take into consideration in this moment, okay? So crypto bubbles today are all in the red. Except for Render, CFX, and Injective and Stacks. So I actually got into a Render trade last week, and I also took profits on that trade. Well, it hit my take profit. So Bitcoin hit my take profit, Render hit my take profit. I've got a few other trades that are still open, that are currently, I've got Let me show you quickly. Okay, so I've got Dogecoin, Kronos, Algo, HBAR, Phantom, and Gala. And if you have a squiz, you can see they're all in. There's a profit. Okay, Kronos there. See, 24, 2%, 67%, 31%. Okay, and the same thing on BitGet. I have 2 accounts. I have multiple trading accounts, but these ones are the smaller accounts. So I'm here and I'm just going to show you. And if you want access to any of these links, my Bybit link is down below. You can get yourself up to a $30,000 deposit bonus. There's a BitGet link, a Binance link. There's all kinds of links down below there for you guys. So I hope you guys go and enjoy those trades. Okay, my BitGet seems to be a little bit frozen here. Let's get off the Wi-Fi, and then basically, sorry guys, position. Okay, it's not doing anything there. Let's close that and go back in again. Okay, so okay, I'll come back to that whenever it loads, so I'll share and show that with you guys. But let's get onto the Bitcoin chart for the day now. Okay, so let's start off with the dollar, of course, always. So dollar has had a sell signal here. We've been pushing down, so it's sold relatively a fair amount. We broke up here yesterday, and we literally closed some volume in above this area, and the candles above this descending channel, which essentially could give it a very interesting turn. So right now we've been rejected by this level and this level, and we're hopefully going to come back down below this blue line, because that blue line tells us where we are going to head down in the near term future. My target all the way down at 89. Let's go and have a look at Bitcoin dominance first. So as I said to you guys, Bitcoin dominance would break out, and guess what? Boom, it broke out. I did say that it was going to go to the north side. So you can see here, this is what I was saying on the trading trading chart. It's 48%, 48.5% already, Bitcoin dominance. But if you go and look at CoinGecko, it says 45%. So it's about 3% difference, which is all the way down from even less than here. I mean, it's saying that the Bitcoin dominance is sitting down here, which it isn't, guys. So you know, the chart will give you the better signals out of everything. Chart gives you actual data. So yeah, take that into consideration. This is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping, as you can see. So Bitcoin is currently pumping on the 4-hour. Boom. Okay, very, very interesting over here. And yeah, I'm quite excited because we broke out of this line, this dissension here, and this would have been, see, look at this, buy candle. Boom, you buy here, you take profit here. How simple is that, guys? What was that? At a 10x leverage, if you bought on this candle and you sold at the top somewhere here, that's a nearly 8% move. 8%, guys. That means you could have made 80% on a 10x leverage. However, where are we now? Now, what I said to you guys in these two videos, 40k and 37.5. I don't know if we're going to reach these right now, because on the 4-hour you can see we're turning back. But if I go and look at the 12-hour, okay, we have already pulled up quite substantially, and we're coming back up to this point again. So we might just basically just sell out essentially. And now if I had to pull this line up there, look at that. Look at that. Now normally when a channel does this, right guys, normally when a channel does this, it could be a bull flag essentially, okay, and we could still have our target up there. But okay, let's go and do this, because essentially it is a bull flag target. And look at that. Look at where that target will take us, up to my 40,000 level. How perfectly aligned is that, guys? So yes, it may go up there, but if you look at the RSI on the 12-hour, which you know is telling us a very important thing, on the daily time frame we've just broken up, and essentially on the daily time frame, if we're trading on the daily, we should, you know, essentially take profits up here, which could be all the way up there. But look, I think, guys, honestly, I think we're going to just make another sideways move here, and then up one more time, and then we're going to hit a very hard sell over here. At this point, I do feel as though, and I do believe that the charts will tell us that we will hit this level, and we'll probably come back down at least to this level, if not back down to this level, before we actually make a retracement back up. So that will be very interesting to see what happens in the market. Ethereum has done something very, very similar. So Ethereum has currently, from a long time now, been waiting to break out of this trend. It broke out, it faked out, and it pulled back down to the support level here. Okay, then we hit another buy, and we took profits up there. I hope you guys took some profits on this trade. That's a 50% move. So you see, my strategy is minimum 33% and maximum 66%. We don't need our trades to go into thousands of percentages, right? If you made 10% a day, 10% a day compounded at the end of the month is huge, okay? And in fact, let's go and look at what a compounding calculator, okay, compound interest daily, monthly. Okay, so let's go and see what this actually looks like. So total investment, if you invested $100 and you made 10%, okay, and you did 10% daily, and you did this for let's just say you did it for 1 month, okay. Let's see what this will give us. Initial additional contributions, compound interval, monthly, daily, 365. Okay, let's see what this gives us. So if you did 10% per day, okay, your future investment value would be 1,815. So you would have taken $100 and you would have 18x'd it and made $1,715 profit. So your APY rate is plus 17%. So guys, this gives you an idea of how you can take $100 and convert it into 18x just by doing very, very simple rules and tricks in trading. So yeah, let's go and see the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq has pulled back. We are pulled back on the RSI, only on the 4 hour. We could make one last run up to here, and then we could essentially pull back. The same thing with the S&P, and the only reason it would do this is because the dollar's busy falling. So look at this. This is coming to the bottom, and it looks like it's getting ready to make another run up. And guys, honestly, this looks like a little bit of an awkward cup and handle pattern, but nonetheless, it still looks like a cup and handle pattern. And the cup and handle pattern is essentially doing that. Okay, let me just refresh this quick. Okay, look at that. So your cup and handle pattern is essentially doing this and a handle. Okay, so it's very interesting. So we could essentially have a target of that, which would at the breakout bring us up to the top of that trend line. Now, isn't that interesting, guys? Because oof, wow, very, very, very beautiful. If we do that, that's great, but there is huge resistance at my green line there, as you can see. So yeah, let's see what happens with that. And guess what? Total crypto market cap. What a breakthrough. What an absolute breakthrough. So it says here current crypto market cap is sitting at 1.2 trillion. I'm not sure why the numbers are different from CoinGecko to these charts here. It would be very interesting to know why, because essentially at the end of the day we need to know what is going on in the charts properly. So now this is looking oversold already on the RSI on the 4 hour. Let's go and look at what we look like on the daily time frame, because the daily time frame we're looking very, very strong and very, very bullish. So look, I think that as I said here, the target will be up here. So now if we can close this candle on the daily above this green level and above yesterday's breakout candle, 100% guys, we're going to be coming up to this target. That'll be a good amount of about 250-300 billion coming into the total crypto market cap. And then one of the last charts that I want to show you, oil's looking like it wants to rebound. I did say that this would be the area over here that we're looking for. If we go and look at oil in the daily time frame, oil is an indication of economic performance. So look, I have 3 targets there. If we do manage to get out of this target, there is a bit of resistance over here at this level, but essentially we could come up all the way back up to 106. But on the daily time frame, we are very oversold, and now it's time to sell oil essentially, and basically take profits on the way down. Okay, so oil's crossing, and I do feel as though we've got a lot of resistance here at the moment on oil. And the last one, gold. Gold, hallelujah, guys. Gold made a nice pump up. I actually bought some gold this morning down here, and I basically took some profits over here, and then I got 2 more trades that I've taken some profits at my green line. So this is my green line. This is only the 30 minutes. If you go and look at the 12 hours on gold, 12 hours on gold is busy waiting for the RSI to reset, and then we could essentially just draw down a little bit and then make our next move up. If you guys enjoyed this, watching this, thanks for hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate it. There's a lot of news in the market this week, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos for you this week, so thanks very much for being here, my blessed and beautiful crypto community. Appreciate you all. Love you lots. Thank you. Smash that thumbs up for me. Appreciate you. See you on the next one.